at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got from Vite Ramen a collaboration with a Canadian YouTuber slash Twitch streamer named Onigiri, and she's a virtual host, so she's this character here. Oh. I don't know. I watched like 2 minutes. I was confused, slightly annoyed, and but I'm old, I guess. I don't feel old. I'm not old. I feel happy. But she was talking about stinky socks or something. I don't know. I'm not hip on this stuff, I guess. But this is a spicy Seiso ramen. And version 3.0. That's the noodle is the version 3.0. They've been upgrading their noodle every so often, and it's really quite good. It's hearty, it's thick, it's chewy, it's really neat. The deal with Vite Ramen is it's got tons and tons of vitamins in it, tons of protein. 28 grams of protein, 27 micronutrients. It's got molybdenum. Molybdenum makes your sword stronger. And what guy doesn't want a strong sword? But, yeah, literally it's like a mineral or something that they use to strengthen the tensile strength of swords and cutlery. I think it's just a fun word to say. Molybdenum. Guacamole. Don't say guac around me, it really bugs me. Seasoning base. Tribute oil, which I guess is like Szechuan pepper oil. And then our noodle block. So there we go. We're going to do that for 3 minutes. And I'm going to try to do a combo show and tell while showing you the thing cooking. I think I can pull that off. So I went to the thrift store yesterday, which I often do. And at the thrift store, I saw this box and I was like, what the heck? What's in here? So I opened it up and I found 2 of these cups, and I'm hoping there's somebody who might be able to understand more about what they are. They're from Norway, and they're pewter, I guess. They're stamped on the bottom, and yeah, they're pretty neat. It's like a presentation set. It was meant. My buddy in Australia took a look around about them. He's like, all I'm finding is stuff about weddings, and I'm thinking, maybe this is something you give for a wedding, but it mentions the number 1782 and then 3 like AKS and AHD or something like that. But it's a weird deal. I will give it that. But I like the weird deal. Don't you? Airplane going over. It's another day. Yesterday the sun kept going in and out behind the clouds, and I think today is going to be another day like that. But yeah. Today is the first Republican presidential primary debate. And I've got the popcorn in the cupboard ready to go in the microwave, my 100-calorie popcorn. I'm excited about that. Gonna use some Peruvian seasoning, some cumin. Oh, I'm out of cumin. That's what I freaking need. I need my rad cumin from 99 Ranch. And then I usually put in paprika as well. But yeah, it should be very forgettable, full of foibles, flaws, and foo-foo. So, yeah. And of course, the man of the hour, the 4 times indicted former president, 4 times indicted, 3 times impeached, former President Donald John Trump will not be at the debate. Probably a good idea. He's got a gag order right now. Some people just can't resist being the center of attention, even if it's really not gonna help them out. I give it, oh, what's his name? Glenn something. Really good, former federal prosecutor, and he does a lot of interviews on TV. He's on Brian Taylor Cohen all the time. That guy, he has a really good show. Anyways, but yeah, oh, I gotta mix this stuff in. What am I doing? Here. Off. Over here. But yeah, it's just like, it's gonna be like a matter of days before he busts right through the ceiling of that gag order, and he's gonna say something about somebody who's testifying, and then he'll get hauled into court, and he'll go, oh, well, you know, I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, you did. We told you not to say anything. Well, you're infringing on my First Amendment right. Well, yeah, but this is a court. You're been indicted, so yeah. I don't know. I just listened to the Fulton County phone call from a couple years ago where he's like, all I need is 11,780 votes. You can do that, can't you, Brad? Come on, Brad. You know what you're doing here. It's gonna come back to bite you, Brad. It's like, dude, wait a second. I don't think it is. I think it's gonna come back and bite you. But I don't know. It's like, agree or disagree, the state of the Republican Party now is like one that's like, I mean, I'm like, I'm an alpha liberal, but the thing is it's like, there used to be people that were in the Republican Party that, although I completely disagree with their stand on things and their interpretation of things, it's like, you still had respect for them. That's like, is that too much to ask for? Is that like the enemy having some respect by your adversary or your, I don't know. It's too bad. I will admit, I almost voted, well, my mom almost voted for McCain once. He wasn't bad. And although I totally disagreed with him, I freaking really miss John Boehner. That guy, wow. I quote him all the time. He would say, if ifs and buts were candies and nuts, we'd all have a Merry Christmas. I love that kind of crap. Look at that. I already got a good hit of Szechuan pepper. It's not... Whoa, 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 whoa. You are really crusting there, aren't you? The bowl is crowning. Come on, I just want some broth. Broth. But yeah, I mean, you should be able to have respect for somebody that doesn't agree with you. Christ, I agree with my brother, and he's very conservative on a lot of topics. We agree on a lot of things, we disagree on a lot of things. I can live with that. But that's the thing, it's like nowadays, if you disagree with me, my political standpoint, oh my God, I'm gonna go ballistic. It's true. Like, come on. Grow a pair. There's other people that believe different things than you do. But whatever. Oh, I know. I didn't come here to get a lecture about politics, jerk. No, you didn't. That's what you're getting. Not really a lecture. You know, just my take on things. I'm excited about the debate. I like debates. I like the whole election thing. I think it's interesting. It's important. However, I think it can be like a real pain in the butt and pretty ridiculous. Especially when you run into stuff like we're running into right now. All right. Anyways. Yeah, that's pretty Szechuan-y peppery. Come on, float. Ooh, you kind of need to rotate it. Ow, and it's hot. All right. There's that. Already did that. I'm gonna do some narutomaki after I add some of. I guess I should give her the benefit of the doubt and check out that YouTube or the streamer show. I only had like literally 2 minutes to check out any of the YouTube she's doing. I definitely didn't see any of the cooking aspect. So that is interesting. Come on. Float. I got lots more where you came from. None of that there. I gotta. You guys even float? I don't even know if narutomaki floats very well. I just want this to happen. Sit up. And we got some spring onion. I'm just gonna make a mound of this right here. What's funny about this music now is it sounds like the music at Chuck E. Cheese. Give yourself a high five. A little bit of shichimi. Oh, that's right. This stuff like invades. Anyways. Wow, it's already 10. It's already 10 in the morning. Well, let's let Rotato do its thing. Got some dark, murky music. And yeah, this stuff's pretty neat. Thank you to dudes over at, and ladies, I guess. Thank you to Vite Ramen. I'm not trying to bite myself on the face. Thanks to Vite Ramen for sending this over. They sent me a bunch, so you're going to see a lot more of these new varieties, new versions coming out on my show here. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Ching's Secret Hot Garlic Instant Noodles from India. And India did something neat today, which I will tell you about on tomorrow's episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So, this has been Odds the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.